Before anything else, today, Onam Ashamsakal. Happy Onam to you and to every Malayali celebrating wherever in the world you are listening from. Wishing you a table full of people you love and a plate even fuller. Apple just packed a lot more AI onto your desk this week, while back home in Bengaluru, a very different kind of power just got picked up by a German giant. Good morning, I'm Lino Cornell, and this is 6 Minutes of Silence. Today, a new chip and who powers the machines behind it. A model running 14 times faster in one line. And since it's Onam, a proper Onam Inji Puli from the kitchen and a poem just for today. In AI news, Apple dropped a new Mac Mini this week built around its first 2-nanometer chip, the M6, with a dual 16-core neural engine on board for the very first time. Apple says it delivers up to 4 times faster AI performance than the model it replaces, squarely aimed at developers running and fine-tuning AI models locally right on the desk. It's Apple's clearest signal yet that on-device AI isn't a side feature anymore. It's a whole pitch. Meanwhile, back home, German semiconductor giant Infineon agreed to acquire Bengaluru-based C2i Semiconductors, a 4-year-old startup founded by former Texas Instruments engineers building the chips that manage power inside AI data centers. The deal will also create a new center of excellence for digital power technologies right here in India. Apple just brought a lot more AI onto your desk. India this week secured a piece of who keeps every other AI machine powered and running. If mornings like this are useful to you, hit follow so tomorrow's lands in your feed without you having to go looking for it. The AI tool of the day is GPT-5.6 Sol Ultrafast, a new preview mode from OpenAI that runs up to 14 times faster than the standard model with pricing cut to for a limited time. Today, of course, from the kitchen, no ordinary recipe. It's Onam, so it has to be Inji Puli. Soak a lemon-sized ball of tamarind in warm water and squeeze out a thick, tangy pulp. Heat coconut oil in a pan, splutter mustard seeds and curry leaves until they crackle. Add finely chopped ginger and slit green chilies and saute until the ginger turns soft and just lightly golden. Stir in turmeric, chili powder and a pinch of asafoetida briefly. Then pour in the tamarind pulp along with jaggery and salt to taste. Let it simmer gently, stirring now and then until it thickens into a dark, glossy, jam-like pickle. It only gets better with a day's rest, but nobody on Onam ever waits that long. Add it to your sadhya and let it do what it always does. And now a poem just for today. It's called Today Onam. Machines may race ahead with money, models, voices finding their way. But today, Kerala remembers some things grow richer when we gather and stay. Between Pookalam's laughter and the sadhya, may old roots meet the world anew. And let every feast find its spark of sweet and fire. Onam Inji Puli. That was 6 minutes of silence. Once more, Onam Ashamsakal. Enjoy every bit of today. Same room, different door.